Photoprism versus Immich. Which photo enhancement tool is better 2025? So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Photoprism versus Immich. So if we talk about user experience and interface, Immich offers a modern mobile-first design reminiscent of Google Photos, which native Android or iOS apps that support seamless automatic backups, and the Photoprism features a clean web-oriented PWA interface and broad support across platforms, yet it lacks polished mobile syncing and the UX feels more traditional. And Immich has dramatically improved its tagging, face recognition, and object identification, now nearing parity and often outperforming in real world tests. And on the other hand, the Photoprism shines with robust AI, advanced face or object detection, deep filters, raw and metadata support. And Reddit users report image face recognition is more reliable for kids and diverse subjects, while Photoprism sometimes mistakes or merges faces. So the winner is Thai, though Image gets edges ahead in real world robustness. And if we talk about the performance and syncing, Image is fast, responsive during imports and browsing. Mobile auto upload works smoothly, and the Photoprism may lag during large initial imports or indexing, though steady once running. And Image for speed and real-time syncing is the winner here. And choose you can choose Image if you want a slick mobile first multi-user experience with fast performance and top tier real world tagging, and you don't mind managing updates. And you can choose Photoprism if your priority is long-term stability, mature tools, and a more controlled, reliable self-hosted setup. You can also run both, use Photoprism for backups and indexing, and Image for mobile syncing and sharing. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.